Alright guys, we're taking a look at the E60 M5 again today, and in particular the rest button. Now I know there's a lot of you guys out there that are probably unaware of what this button does and not used it before, but it's a really cool feature of these cars. Now it's specific to the pre-LCI, the pre-facelift E60s. It doesn't have to be an M5, just any E60 in general. Now this is a real useful feature in winter time. So the idea behind it is, when you're out and about and your engine's up to temperature, and you might need to stop off here and there just to run a few errands or whatnot, what you can do is once you turn your ignition off, if you hit this button, what it'll do is blow warm air through your vents, so it'll take that residual heat off your engine through your heat exchanger and then through your vents, and it can last for up to 15 minutes, but it will monitor your battery voltage and everything at the same time, so it's not going to run your flight. It might cut off a bit earlier, but yeah, the reason it's called rest is because it's taking that residual heat from your engine. Great feature. Keep your cabin nice and warm, so when you get back to the car you're not freezing again. And like I say, once your engine's up to temperature, I'll just flick the ignition on here. So I've just been out for a run in the car. You can still see there's still some heat in the engine oil there. So what I'll do is just flick the ignition off, press the button there. I don't know if you guys can hear it on the camera. I've got a bit of heat coming out the vents there. Like I say, that'll run for up to 15 minutes, so we can go and do what we need to do, come back to the car. It'll keep things nice and warm for us in here. Awesome feature, worthwhile using. Hope this helped you guys out. I'm MTech Guy, thanks for watching.